Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Of course, this is Naola Joel. Some people inboxed me about the other video of Excel report making and told me that they are having some challenges which are which they don't know. They are seeing some stuff and they were wondering whether their computers were the ones having the problems. They were telling me about something. They were seeing hash stuffs. They have what? Yeah, here I'm back to tell you that let not those mechanics cheat you. The problem is not with your computer. The problem is maybe with the data you have tried to put in. So today, those things you saw, they are called errors. So I'm wondering, some people who have not yet come across them, they are saying, how can errors be in what in a computer again? Because they assume a computer to be more perfect. Yeah, a computer can be perfect, yeah, but it depends you. A computer is perfect, but it's you who's not what who's making it to, because you're the one commanding it, meaning you're the one making mistakes, not the computer. Yeah, so I'm just going into my Excel. Today I'll be taking you through errors, the different forms of errors you may see, the different forms of errors. So errors, what are errors? Some of you are saying errors. What are errors? Errors, yeah, errors are just codes displayed when Microsoft, this is spread by Microsoft Excel, when Microsoft Excel encounters issues with maybe your data or formulas, and this prevents it from proceeding with these calculations or processing the data. So I want us to show you. I want me to show you some of the few errors, and I'm going to start with the error. Someone told me. He told me something called hash. You know that hash error. Hash error is caused by maybe something you're trying to fit in a cell. Remember last time I told you what a cell is? Something you're trying to fit in a cell is like does not fit in that cell. Something you're trying to place in that cell. And this one here is a cell. This one here is a cell. This one here is a cell. So something, if you're trying to put something in a cell and doesn't fit there, let us say maybe I have a bigger value. Let me say 4. Yeah, and then this cell I have something like in this cell here I have something like a, can I say 5 and then this, let me try to reduce this cell, this cell I'll show you. I'm making it to be smaller. So in this cell here, I want to put there, I want to put there the sum of this, because some of you are saying that I was adding stuff, and yeah, I don't know the kind of work you're doing, whether what was the report or what. So there, I want to get the sum, the sum, wait, the sum. Yeah, I want to get here the sum. Then yeah, this is it. The sum. Then I open here brackets. The sum of this one up to that one. I think that. Then I close my brackets. You see, if I press enter, it will give me the hash. So in case you have that hash error, how can you solve it? The only way of solving it, I told you the cause of the error is because the digits cannot fit in that small shell. So what you the solution is just adjusting the size. If you adjust the size of your cell, you find that I've solved it. You see, that's it. That's the only trick there. Mm. Let us see what kind of error can you really come across again. Then the next kind of error can I talk about the hash diff error. There's hash and then diff error. If you have that, let us say maybe I have something like here 56, and then hash diff error is normally seen by people when you are trying to divide. When you are trying to divide, that's when you see the hash diff error, and the problem is caused when you are dividing a number by 0. That's the cause of the error. If you're dividing a number by 0, so how can I call, if you're dividing a number by 0, I've said I have there 56, and then maybe I have here 0, and then I want to get the result here. I want to show you how it comes. Equals, I want this one here, a1, no, so I divide by B1. I think that you know how to get those stuffs. Then I press enter. You see, it is hash div. Hash div is caused when you are dividing a number by 0. So in case to solve that, just make sure that you change so that you change this digit to be maybe 7. Then here now you see that I am dividing it by this one. Then enter. You see, I've solved now that error. So that's how you can solve that error. Yeah, what else? Let me see the other error you can get. Let me see. Let us speak about hashref error. Hashref, and this is common. Let us say. Let me try to type here something. I have there math. I have here science. Yeah. Then let us have here some max 45, 89, 90. 90. Yeah, then in this column I want to put there the total. I'll show you how the hashref error is caused about. The hashref error is brought about when you create a column using the other columns. Then after that you delete the other columns you used to create this column automatically. When you delete the other ones, it will bring the hashref error. How? Let us say now here I'm getting the sum. You see, I open. Then I think that you are well versed with this. Sorry, I've done a mistake. Equals sum. I open this to that. Then I close. Yeah, if you find that, then I just want to autofill. Yeah, I've gotten the sum. No, so now after that, then I decide to sorry. After that, then I decide to delete this. I decide to delete this. After that, so after that I just want to delete this. I've highlighted. I want to delete. Yeah. Delete. You see, after deleting, I've deleted the other columns. Then this one will show me the hashref. Hashref meaning I've deleted the columns, so they are not standing. So that's all about the hashref error. The other kind of error you can encounter. The other kind of error you can encounter it is probably the hash name error. The hash name error is caused by using a wrong formula. If you use a wrong formula, let us say I deleted the work. Let me still let me say I have that. Then I have some science there. Then I have the marks here. I have the marks there, kind of there. That let me use kind of different figures. Some of you may say that why is it? Yeah. Then this column I want to get the total. But instead of using the correct formula, you and me know that the correct formula is what? Is sum. Then I just say add as my formula. Add, then this one, I want to add this one to that one. Then I press, then I close my bracket, then I press enter. You see, spring hash name, meaning the name of the formula I've used is totally wrong. And although I try to autofill, since I've used the wrong formula, it will still show me the hash name, meaning the problem is not that with the digits there, but is with the formula I've used. So the only solution to that is by by using the correct what? The correct formula. So in case I want to correct that, let me correct it such that I show you that the correct formula is sum. Also sum of that and that. Sorry. Sum of that and that. Then I close. You see, it will give me the value. Then I will just autofill. Yeah. So that's all about errors. In case I've left up awesome. Yeah, there's another error called the hash value, but that one is simpler, you can do it. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video. Thank you for watching. Love you all.